Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Ganesh Subramanian, founder and CEO of Stylumia. I've been in the fashion lifestyle industry for over 20 years. And today we are going to be in a rapid fire for the next 6 to 7 minutes on what are the secrets to scaling your e-commerce DTC business. And I'd like to thank Rai for the opportunity. We are having a wonderful opportunity to turn the worst of times to the best of times, and we will see how. Whatever we are going to talk, it's not going to be theory. It's all based on our implementations and the results that we have got with various clients, both in India and abroad. You need to start with the big picture before getting into the details. And why do you think this retailer went bankrupt? Why do you think this retailer is gone bankrupt? Why do you think this brand has gone bankrupt? Because they lost touch with where the consumers are, where they were, what they were interested in. And these companies manage for revenue, not cash. How can we learn from all of them? And why is Zara standing the test of time? And we all know that Zara has been doing well and they are navigating this space also. And why is Nike performing with least impact through COVID? Would you like to have the power of Zara and Nike for you? Nike has managed through digital transformation during their early days, invested over a decade back and reaping all their benefits. And Zara, we all know, have the power of the taste of their consumers through data. Would you like to have both of them for your business? We all live in a world our questions create. Therefore, we need to ask the right questions. The question number one is, why digital? Simple, be where your consumers are. If your consumers are in digital, you need to be in digital. And why is there a need to change right now? Now, we are going to break some key fundamental myths governing fashion and lifestyle business. And if you can break those myths, you're going to get those secrets unveiled, and that is going to transform your business. This is the amount of wastage that the fashion industry is creating globally. This is in spite of all the tools available today. Unsolved by any existing practice or solution. For there needs to be something which has to change, and we need to know what needs to be done. And that's a question we asked in 2015, and hence we have Stylumia today. Let's go through the myths that we want to break. One, what are the product myths in fashion and lifestyle business? And I'm sure I want you to go through this and answer for yourself. How would you answer this? Yes or no? Are you thinking in seasons? Are you validating by showing to known people and your partners? Are you learning by implementing, making mistakes, and keep on learning from that? These myths are not true. And I really want you to have that belief. And this is the transformation that we really want you to make. Please note them down, and you can come to our stall today to understand more about it. Myth number two, price. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? Do you also agree with this? And these myths are also not true. And this is the transformation that we would like you to have. Please note these down and we can discuss more in detail. Let's look at myth number three, content. Would you agree with this? Would you agree with this too? Would you also agree with this? And these content myths are also not true. And this is what we would like you to transform. How do you get unfair advantage in e-commerce? Because this is a channel that consumers are going after. How do you maximize your, whether it is third party or your own portals? The key, the secret that you get out of this session is right product, and right product. And what does that right mean? Second, sale is money. It's a misconception by itself. It is the free cash flow, which is the real money. It's actually revenue minus cost minus all the investments. That's the free cash flow. How do you increase or transform that for your business? This is how it will work. Get the right product, right price, right niche, which is the target, and then you get cash and keep blowing it back. The question you will have now is, how do you get the product merchandise right for a dynamic consumer in this market? If this is how you approach this particular channel, digital channel, time to rethink. The question I would place with you is, how would you operate if digital is the only channel you had? And that's where comes our world's first demand sensing engine. We have an engine which can demand sense the entire market, both in India and globally, and give you winning insights, not winning trends, winning products, winning attributes, winning prices, any point of time. Few clicks, you get to know what is the right trend. What are the right trends in my favorite brand and places? What's the thing to do? What's the thing not to do? What are the right prices to adopt? What's happening to various attributes? What are the color trends? Looking at all of this, Pantone partnered with us very recently. What are the right attributes across various retail channels? Contribution of various attributes so that you make the right products. You get white space and niche ideas or a mass idea instantly from the platform. So it's all about two things. If you want to win in digital commerce, it's relevance and performance. And all of these platforms will rate you on some 18, 19 parameters, and we can help you get there and win over the algorithms. This is not theory. As I told you, so many clients are benefiting from what we do at Stylumia. And we have so far saved wastage of over 6 million garments, 60 million garments, sorry. For what next? You can walk the path yourself or walk with people like us who have spent years building India's largest online retailer and also spend a lot of time in the fashion retail industry. We can help you reach there faster. The question is, you need to have to win anywhere. You need to have the right coach. You need to have the right system. You need to have the right process. And you need to have the right environment. That's what you will get with us. And that's a choice that you need to make. And for that, we have a solution called Stylumia Consumer Intelligence Solution. To know more about it, you can visit our stall and you can also reach out to us at stylumia.ai. We wish you all the very best and stay safe. Thank you very much.